The introduction of a traffic management solution device, TMS, to Lagos State transportation sector in Nigeria is planned to eradicate payment of fines, controversy between the traffic law enforcement officers and violators. This was made known by the State Commissioner for Transportation at a press briefing held to introduce the deployment of the traffic management solution. The Commissioner explained that the use of the TMS device will replace human interface, reduce if not totally eliminate traffic congestions and manage violations of traffic laws in the busiest state in Nigeria's southwest region.
TMS, that's the traffic management solution, is meant to moderate your behavior. So it's meant to let people know that we are watching. And so when you're on the road, behave properly. And when you behave properly on the road, I think 50% of our problems will be solved.
On other ways of easing traffic in the state, the Commissioner had this to say.
The Lagos State government has what it calls the Strategic Transport Master Plan, which we're following. It's a master plan for the next 20 years. And that master plan has a plan for road. It has a plan for rail, for the reform of our bus system, as well as water transportation. You will notice that the government is currently constructing 15 jetties on our road. About 8 of them will be commissioned this year, and then the others will be commissioned early next year. So there's a lot going on our waterways.
However, the Lagos State Transportation and Management Authority, LASMA, while commending the Transportation Ministry for this laudable effort, added that the device will also help LASMA officials carry out their duties more effectively.
A lot of the complaints that we have is about arguments between an accused offender and the enforcement officer. And so many times the offender does not even understand or believe that they have committed an offense. And that is because most of us, we own our cars, but we allow other people to drive in our absence, i.e. our children or drivers. So when they've done something outside, it is the report that they bring to us that we act upon. And so we begin to label enforcement officers as the enemy. But with this evidence that will be sent to you, you can clearly see, and you can have access to the traffic law to check this offense. Is it part of this law that is there? And then you can make a decision and deal with it.
The Commissioner went on to urge pedestrians and drivers to support the TMS device as a better means of managing traffic situations in the state. Omolola Ololade reporting for News Central.